Now I'm Christoper Odokonyero from the Burukung Parish, Paralaka Sub-County, Lamwo District. I'm a member of Burukung Cluster Strategic Investment Fund. Actually, we have been given funding by we received funding from Dr. D. We received funding from Dr. D, where we planned as group members to start a mill operating machine. Now we are dealing in maize milling. Now we also, through maize milling, we are able to sell the maize flour. We also have the maize bran there. This, we sell it all. Out of this project, we, the Burukung Cluster Strategic Investment Fund, we were able to have at least something at our hand as members. Now, this project is also changing the life of the community within. We are able to supply even the settlement camp. We were able to supply even out the surrounding with the main plant and even the floor. So this project is helping us a lot. So I believe in time to come, we are planning as group members to increase the level of business almost all over. Now we are here in Paralaka sub-county. We are also planning to increase this business or to extend it even in Ogili, even in game, so that we can at least receive a good sum of money that can change the entire Liberia. So we are planning also. We are also planning to get like a lorry tipper during the course of the business. We are also planning. We are planning a lot of things. Though at the moment we have some few challenges, like the increase in the price of fuel. We also have the challenges when we are buying this maize produce. Other people, they are not trusted because we buy in bags. Some of them, they may tend to mix the maize with a sand, which is causing us loss as group members. Another the biggest challenges, it is the competition. We are also having some of the mills within here who are producing the same services. So we are trying to handle that through increasing by producing a good quality. We're trying to also fight that one.